This video is brought to you courtesy of the highly esteemed members of Pomo Bespoke. Welcome. Today we are looking at boots again, jot pause, springing, something that we did about 2 or 3 months ago, but it is the privilege of members of our channel that when they ask for a revision, they get it. So today's revision was requested by 276. Be like 276. Join membership of Pomo Bespoke. Now let's get into it.
So the second part of the video is going to be dedicated to springing of the front part of this boot along the back part of the shaft. So we place the shaft line on our center line and draw all the way to this point. And using that point as pivot, we pivot to the next point on the center line. Pivot to the next point on the center line and then pivot to the tip of the last. Then we'll draw all this back feather edge part. And using that tip as pivot, we pivot to the van point. And using that point as pivot, we pivot back down. But I must warn you that this has extended the length of the shaft by about 1 or 1.5 cm thereabouts. There is a way to correct that and eliminate that extension. I'll talk to you about that in the later part of the video.
You know, I didn't realize that my camera wasn't rolling while I was crimping this one. I thought I was explaining things and I didn't realize the camera wasn't rolling. Face your crimping board in a V shape like this and put the instep at the steepest part of that V, pointing upwards. Then you centralize the entire pattern. Your key worry at this point is to ensure that you have no wrinkle around that instep point. So you use your hand and keep all wrinkles, every single wrinkle, away from that point. And then you staple as you see that I'm doing.